Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys facing slow internet or unstable Wi-Fi connections? This video covers the complete Edimax AC750 router setup process, helping you configure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for better speed and coverage. Whether you're a first-time user or resetting your router, this quick guide helps you get connected without confusion. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the power adapter into the router and switch it on. Connect your internet modem to the router's one port using an Ethernet cable. Wait until the power and internet LEDs turn stable. Connect to the router in wireless method. Connect to the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the router label. Open any web browser. In the address bar, type http://edimax.setup or 192.168.2.1. Press Enter. Log into Edimax router. The username is admin and the password is 1234, or leave blank, depending on model. Click Login. The router will auto-detect your internet type. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common. Second is PPPoE, used by some ISPs, requires ISP username password, and the last one is Static IP, rare. Choose the correct one and enter required details, if needed. Now configure your Wi-Fi settings. Set Wi-Fi names for 2.4 GHz SSID or 5 GHz SSID. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Choose WPA2PSK, recommended. Save settings. The router will restart automatically. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Setup completed. Your Edimax AC750 dual-band Wi-Fi router is now ready to deliver fast and stable internet across your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.